right, so this is a video on how to enable blog in Learnworlds. Okay, so the first thing we need to do now is, come down to, we are on the dashboard already. So click on website. All right, so from here you click on blog. Click on blog. So you are going to get this particular page here. So then the next thing to do is to click on enable blog. All right, so click on this, turn this on. So we need to give the blog page a name. So we can just name this, just blog without the word home page. All right. So scroll down. You can give this a description. Just something like maybe, just give it a title. Just give it a title. Let's say Team Mike Media blog. Okay. Team Mike Media blog. Just the title to help your SEO. All right. So now the next thing to do is to click on save and close. Click on save and close. All right, so that is done already. So we've enabled the blog in Learnworlds. So as you can see, we have no blogs. We have no blog content on this page here. So now what we need to do next is to start, creating content, publishing articles to the blog. All right, so you click on the plus button here. Click on the plus button here. So we have other templates. Do you understand? We have some templates you can use for the blog right here. You can choose to start with the blank one or tick on any of these two. So, but for the, just for the purpose of this tutorial, we can just, start with the blank one. All right, so let's create the blank one. Click on the blank template. All right, so then here you're going to put the title of the blog. So title of the blog here, or the topic. So this is just like the permalink, just like a link to your blog. So well, in this case, what you can do is to copy this, can highlight this, copy this, then paste it in. So it will automatically create it as a slug. All right, you can enable this to public. All right, so this is the date. So you can choose to change your date, or maybe you want to change it back. You can do that also. All right, this is today's date. Okay. All right, so post categories. This is a category. You can choose to add a category. So maybe let's assume your category name is business. Maybe you want to talk about business content. So you type business here, then you click on apply. All right, so description for the content. So your description here. All right, your description here. Should you scroll down, this is going to be your thumbnail. So you need to upload your thumbnail, the thumbnail to your blog. You click here to change. Then you upload, you can choose to upload from your computer or you upload from your gallery here. All right, so let me just try to upload from here. Let me upload from here. Okay, let's upload from here. All right, so post author, you can choose to ignore this or you type in something. So click on create post. All right, so this is one of the topic here. This is one of the titles we just created now. All right, so and on this particular page is the content of your blog. Do you understand? Content of your topic rather. So now what we need to do next is to over on this page here, just over somewhere here, then you will find add section. So you click add section. Click add section. So now the next thing to do is this is the hero section for the blog content. So these are different designs. These are different designs you can pick. Starting from here up. These are different designs you can pick. Let me try to click this. Click this. All right. So title of the blog here. Can you see? So this is the title of the blog here. Can you see that now? All right. So now we need to paste the content. We need to write something like a long article of this this blog. So now you over around here also you see add section. So you click add section. So you also scroll down. You scroll down, scroll down. So you can pick from any of these four contents, 1, 2, 3, 4, any of these four templates. So let's pick this here. All right. So now what we need to do here now is to change this image. Do you understand? To change this image. All right, so let's try to close this. Let's close this here. All right, let's close this also. All right, so now let's change this image to the one, we use an image for the thumbnail. Click on plus. All right. All right. So, and also this is not, wide. This page is not wide. So what we need to do to make this wide is click on edit right here. So you come to layout, So you click on normal. Can you see? So this page is okay now. So then this will be where you're going to, paste your article, the description. Do you understand? So after you are done typing everything here, so then you click on save. Do you understand? Click on save. So after saving, and that's all. And if, for instance, you want to change the color here, you want to change the color of this header here, so you click on edit, click edit. So can you see background here? Background color, you click color here, then you pick any color of your choice, and that's all. I click on the save button. That's all.